Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my show. Okay, if you don't know who I am a professional day trader. Okay, professional swing trader, and this is what I do, guys. I only look at the charts, and this is how I make my money. I day trade Monday through Fridays, the financial markets. Okay, and also swing trade the crypto market. So if this is something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of just seeing the market going up and down, you don't really understand what's going on. Your favorite YouTuber have been telling you we're gonna moon, every single month, and the price has been just been going down. So if you're tired of that, definitely hit the subscribe button because I'm gonna give you the truth, even though it might hurt. Okay, the truth might hurt, but I'm gonna give it to you guys. I've been doing this for 11 years, so I understand the financial markets. I understand charts. So let's get this party started. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only. And if you are watching that replay, you can actually speed it up 1.5 or 2. So let's get this party started. Let's drop this bomb real quick. Okay, I'm gonna drop this bomb early because the market is still looking weak, guys. The market is still looking weak. And you have to be careful out here, guys. You have to be careful. All right. Let's see if I see anybody in my chat room. Let's go. What's going on, guys? I hope you guys had a good what do you call that? Thanksgiving. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. I had a decent Thanksgiving. I wish I was at my mom's house, but it is what it is. It is, to me, it's nothing better than the mother cooking. But at the same time, I enjoy myself. I had a good Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody that's here. Shout out to Davina, Dom, Randy. Shout out to you, Lance, Dan, Left Lane. What's going on? So Leslie Savage. Thanks a lot, guys, for stopping by. We're going to talk about when is a good time to buy these cryptocurrencies. We're going to look at the overall market. We're going to look at pretty much the market itself, look at some charts. And I don't know how long the stream is going to be. Of course, I'm going to go over some questions. So if you definitely have some questions, type it in. So let's get this party started. Let's go to CoinMarketCap real quick. Okay, let's see what's going on in CoinMarketCap. 142 billion. Dominance is actually creeping up. It looks like we probably go to that 54 probably soon. Of course, the volume is dropping. Holidays coming up. Actually, holiday was yesterday. Today still, and the weekend is coming up. So the volume is definitely going to drop. What else? Overall, today wasn't too crazy on the sell side. It was just, Bitcoin went down a little bit. So let's look at the 4-hour chart on Bitcoin. So we dropped a little bit. We bouncing a little bit right here. So overall, I do expect something probably next week. Either we might have a bounce or we might continue down. But just be careful, guys. Please don't try to be a hero. I'm seeing a lot of guys still talking crazy. Okay, so it is what it is. If you guys have any questions, let me know. All right, so let's go to Litecoin. Let's see what these other coins are doing right now. Okay, Litecoin popped up a little bit. All right. Let's look on the daily chart. All right, so a little bounce, nothing crazy at all. Let's go to Ethereum real quick. All right. Yeah, Ethereum. Whew. Man, what's the low? I mean, what we hit? I'm trying to, because I haven't been looking at this. So we hit 118, guys. So Ethereum looks like it's probably going to hit 99 or go under that $100 soon. Okay, that is crazy, guys. Ethereum is probably going to go over that, go under 100 probably real soon. That's nuts, right? That's nuts. So let's see. Let's see what's going on with these other coins. And also, guys, please, if you have any questions, let me know. If whatever you feel. I mean, how you feeling through, because I know some of you guys is probably pissed off with this drop. So let me know if you feel like this is over, or what. Tron TRX looks like it's trying to go under a penny, so that's crazy too. That's crazy also, guys. Tron looks like it most likely will go under that penny mark, which is nuts. All right. Blood in the streets. Blood in the streets, guys. This is why it's very important to learn your industry, learn how to read the charts. It will save you a lot of money. Definitely save you a lot of money and help you make more money. Let's see if I see anything so far. And guys, let me give you guys a round of applause. You say you just here for the bombs. All right, let me give you guys a round of applause. Shout out to you, businessman. Good to see you, businessman, here. Let me give you guys a round of applause real quick. Yeah, Tron looks crazy right now. Okay, so let's go to XRP. Let's see what XRP is doing. All right, let's see what XRP is doing, guys. So XRP is dropping too. Okay, and, this is the thing. I was trying to talk with the XRP community, and it's very hard to talk to those guys. Honestly, not everybody. I'm quite sure. A lot of XRP investors are level-headed. But I try to tell these guys that XRP is tied with the cryptocurrency market. So if Bitcoin is going down, XRP is going to go down with Bitcoin. Okay, I mean, for any XRP YouTuber or investor to say that XRP is going to separate from the crypto market and go a different direction, it's just based on what you think. Okay, honestly, I don't really care about what most people think or wish or hope. I don't really care about that. This is why you really have to not get caught up with emotions when you invest, and just strictly look at the facts. All right, the facts will always help you get to that level, whatever whatever level you want to be at. I mean, you can't just go based on your feelings. Okay, your feelings will never ever help you consistently. Okay, we human beings, we all are emotional creatures. That's why when it comes to business, we have to have a system in place to help us with the emotions. Because if we don't have a system and we go based on our feelings, it's game over. I mean, you're not really gonna survive in any type of business world, because business is all about the facts and the numbers, and it has nothing to do with your feelings. All right. So XRP right now is just pretty much in a bear market like everyone else. It's going down, and most likely we will probably head for the lows. All right. So just be prepared for that. Don't let these guys fool you. Okay. Most of these guys don't know what they're talking about. It's just what it is. All right. So let me see if I see any questions here. All right. Yeah, hit that like button, guys. Hit that like button. I'm one of you guys is full. You guys is full from yesterday. Oh, you had to work? Okay, I hear you, man. Is it possible that Bitcoin will go to 5K anytime soon. We will get to that. Yeah, shout out to Dom. You are correct. What's going on, Eco? Glenn, what's going on? It's not hard to talk to us folks, XRP bros. We understand, well, most of us do. I just know what I know. You know, everybody is different. Yeah, I mean, everybody is different. I'm not saying everybody, but I would say most XRP investors are these guys are on attack mode. I mean, I can put out a video saying something about Bitcoin, you know, something bad about Bitcoin, and I'll probably get a little bit of dislikes. You know, my dislikes wouldn't never go above my likes. Okay, so I would get more dumb downs than you know, thumbs up. But if I talk crazy about XRP, I'm going to get crazy dislikes, more dislikes than likes, just what it is. So just be careful out here, guys. We are still in the bear market. It is what it is. You just have to deal with the bear market. So the question of the day, guys, the question of the day is when to buy your favorite coin, when to buy XRP, Bitcoin, or your favorite cryptocurrencies. Okay, and the answer is simple, guys. The answer is very simple. Okay, not now. Okay, you have to wait for some type of buying to come in the crypto world, because if you are one of these guys that is trying to time the bottom, you know, good luck, bro. You just basically wasted money. Okay, I mean, just think about this for a second, guys. I want you to think about this. For all you guys that claim, you know, you don't mind buying the dips, fine. I mean, if you if you don't mind throwing away money, it is what it is. Okay, but just I want you to think about this for a second. Okay, the guys that have been buying the dips the whole year, I want you to think about this. I want you to imagine this. Okay, because I'm trying to help. What I'm really trying to do with my channel is I'm trying to take your belief system and sort of turn it, okay, not really upside down, but shift it, just trying to shift it just a little bit, so you can have that aha moment and wake up a little bit, okay, because I know it's not going to happen overnight, okay, but at the same time, imagine, instead of, you know, for you guys that have been buying the dips ever since January, February, okay, imagine you said, listen, I'm not gonna buy the dips. I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna chill out, okay, and I'm just gonna wait for the bulls to come in. Imagine if you did something like that, all right? You would save a lot of money, bro, a lot of money, okay? Now let's say that you took it one step further, and you said, you know what? Imagine me, instead of buying the dips, instead of taking that money, okay, and buying the dips, let me take the same money and short the market and actually make money while the market is going down. Okay, imagine if you did that. Imagine if you did that. Imagine how much money you could have made, because most of your guys, you know, really don't understand or really don't want to learn how to read the charts. That's why you keep on buying the bottom, because let's face it, if you really know how to read the charts, you wouldn't be buying the bottoms. This is what it is. You wouldn't be that guy buying the bottoms, okay? So anybody that's buying the bottom right now, I can tell that that person really don't understand how to read the charts. So if you don't know how to read the charts, then you have to just suck it up and learn. It's not hard, guys. It's not hard. All right. So this year, the pressure was to the downside, and I don't care what anyone was saying. I don't care what your favorite YouTuber was saying this year. Pretty much the pressure was down, and the money was to the downside. And that's why I was telling my subscribers, hey, if you want to make money, it's to the downside. It's not to the upside. Okay. So I hope you guys are starting to realize how important reading the charts. Okay, reading the charts, because I think some of you guys really don't understand how important the chart is. Okay, so let me see if I see any questions here. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. If you have any questions, please type it in. I know some of you guys have questions. I've been doing this for 11 years. I know some of you guys have questions because I know some of you guys' portfolio looks skinny right now. I know some of you guys' portfolio looks skinny. And some of you guys are down a lot. So I know some of you guys have questions. So type in your questions. Let me see if I see any questions right here. Okay. So you said, Ben, is it possible Bitcoin could go 5K anytime soon? 5K, man. Honestly, I don't see 5K right now, man. Okay. I don't see 5K right now. We're going to talk more about that because yeah, we're going to talk more about that. Philip said he's just here for the bomb, so let me give him a bomb. Let me give Philip a bomb. JR, what's going on, JR? By the way, I like your videos. I will be tuning in more. Shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot, Wide Body. I appreciate it. Shout out to you, man. Philip, I got to hand it to you. Ben, you called it again. Bitcoin broke well below 6K. Thanks for doing this. I learned a lot. Looking forward to learning more. Let me give you a round of applause and shout out to you. Appreciate it, bro. You know, my thing is basically I'm trying to help people not lose money in this bear market, because what I see in the crypto market right now, especially on YouTube, honestly, it is disgusting. I mean, really, it's disgusting. And I really don't like what I see, because you could tell the people that's have a lot of subscribers, these guys really don't know anything. It's sad. I still don't understand how these guys have a lot of subscribers. Like, you know, guys like Data Dash and who else? Data Dash, Alicio, all these guys. I still don't understand how these dudes have so many subscribers. Most of these guys are wrong for the whole year. I still don't understand how these guys have a lot of subscribers, bro. Let me see here. Let me see. Retail traders are smoking from the pick. Yeah. Nada said, "Where's the BTC bottom?" We get to that. Why about it? How long did it take you to be as good as you are reading the charts? So, well, it took me a long time because I was at the time I was hard-headed. I didn't try to, at first I wasn't trying to learn from anybody. I was just trying to do it myself. You know, I saw a couple of patterns on YouTube or the internet. So let's say, for example, I saw a pattern like a double top or something like that, and I tried to use that and try to trade the market with just only using that pattern, and it didn't work out for me. You know, it took me a long time. I found it took me put like this, it took me like 8 years. But I finally, you know, decided to educate myself some more and basically, you know, step up my game. But honestly, it should never took what do you call that 8 years. I mean, I have a day trading course right now, and basically I told my students, hey bro, I did, you know, hey guys, I did all the work for you. You don't have to suffer like I suffered, all right? And I have students already making money, okay? These students basically been in, the class was like for 2 weeks. And when these guys went live, they was basically making money already. So it don't have to be long, okay? You just have to have motivation and dedication and you know, study the material, and that's it. So let me see here. Let me see if I see any questions. Besides the volume, any tips? What do you mean? Or the bottom? Ben, what are your tips to scout the potential cryptos? I don't have no tips right now. I don't know. You talking about as in buying? Okay. Shout out to Golden Arm, guys. Golden Arm is actually, let me give him that bomb button. Golden Arm is actually one of my day trading students. Let me see what he said. He said, is it okay to tell my wife that I spent our vacation money on XRP and BTC? Oh man, that's crazy. That's funny. Shout out to you though, Golden Arm. Thanks a lot for giving me that super chat. 589. 589, guys. Okay, so let's get to the real thing. Okay, you know, when is a good time? When is a good time to buy your favorite currency? Okay, and I just told you guys the best time to buy, you know, your favorite currency is when you see buyers coming in. Okay, you want to see the market. You know, you want to. So basically, how I make my money every single day, guys, how I make my money every single day is I only follow the trend. I don't care about nothing else but the trend. Okay. Now this year the trend has been to the downside, and that's why I've been telling my subscribers, hey bro, if you want to make money, it's to the downside, it's not to the upside. Until the trend shifts. That's, you know, you shouldn't be looking to buy at all, okay? Because this thing can go lower and lower and lower and lower, all right? So let me give you an example of this, because most people, they probably, you know, I don't know how many people on my live stream right now saw this example, but I've been trying to tell a lot of people about this example, because I think a lot of people should know, okay? Because people these days, they just trying to time the bottom, and guys, that's the wrong thing to do. You don't want to do that, all right? Trust me, been there, done that. You're gonna blow up your whole account. You're gonna blow up your bank account. So the best thing to do is you're gonna wait for a confirmation, all right? So this is what you're looking at right now is pretty much when we was crashing in 2013, right? In 2014. And pretty much this was the bottom right here, guys. All right, this is what confirmation looks like. All right, you see how we was consolidating for a long time, and then we finally broke out of that consolidation. We pulled back to that consolidation. We found support. You see that we found support. Okay, we didn't even go below. Okay, we found support at that breakout, and we started to go up. Okay. You could have bought this breakout right here, or you could have waited until it started to make higher highs, all right? And you could, let's say, so because what pissed me off, right? What pissed me off is these guys on YouTube that don't know what they're talking about, guys. These guys really don't know what they're talking about. I told you, I don't really understand how some of these guys have 100K subscribers, 300K subscribers, 60K, like, bro, like, how do you guys have these, you know, some of you guys, some of these YouTubers, I just shake my head like, bro, you guys are wrong every single month, and you still have followers. I still don't get why these guys still follow you, but you really don't want to buy the dips, guys, until the market proves to you that it wants to go up. Very simple. So basically, with me, when I day trade every single day, I want the market to show me, show me the hand that is playing. Okay, I don't want nothing else. I want the market to show me what it's trying to do. Okay, if you trying to buy a falling knife, that's the wrong strategy. Period. All right. So imagine if you bought at 500. Imagine if you set back, and you didn't try to buy the dip, right? You set back and you was waiting for more confirmation and basically higher highs, right? And let's say that you bought Bitcoin at 500, right? Now, are you going to tell me? Are you going to really tell me that if you sold, let's say that you sold most of your majority of your coins at 18,000, right? Let's say you sold most of it at 18,000. Are you really going to tell me that you was mad that you didn't catch the bottom? Okay, you was mad that you bought at 5,000. You should have bought at what was the bottom? 165 or 160. Are you going to tell yourself, man, I should have bought at 160? No, you're not going to say that. You're going to still be happy with your gains because that's a lot of gains, all right? And this is why I'm trying to teach people that you don't even have to time the bottom, because when this market turned bullish, all right, there's a lot of money to be made to the upside, and you're not going to miss out on nothing, because that's what most people do. The reason why they try to buy the bottom is because they feel like they're going to miss out. No, bro. I just showed you. If you bought at 500, you sold at 18,000. Tell me how is that missing out? You didn't miss out on nothing. All right. So for you guys that are trying to buy on the bottom, please chill out, bro. These YouTubers on YouTube, these guys don't know what they're talking about. They are not professionals. They don't do this full time, and they just trying to gain subscribers. That's it. All right. So guys, please wait for confirmation. Don't get wiped out, because if you really want to buy something, just try to use that money for something else. I'd rather you just either save your money, chill out, or just try to use that money to make more money. Okay, so let's get to some questions. I know someone asked me how low. What is my bottom? My bottom is basically I don't have a bottom. All right, I don't know when Bitcoin, or I don't know where Bitcoin is actually going to bottom out. I don't know. Most of these guys on YouTube are trying to sound smart. Okay, guys. That's why they always trying to give you some type of prediction and basically tell you, hey man, Bitcoin is going to 2,800 or Bitcoin is going to 3,000. They're trying to sound smart. All right. I don't care about that. All right. If you click on my what do you call that? If you click on my channel, you can see me make money. Okay. I have multiple videos of me trading live, so I don't have to sound smart, because I have proof of videos me making money. All right. But at the same time, I don't care how far Bitcoin goes down and whatever the case is. I'm not actively looking for a bottom. Okay. And the reason why I'm not actively looking for a bottom is because I can make money whether Bitcoin goes down or up. All right. Now, the way I'm looking at this whole market, okay, the way the market looks right now, it looks like this market is ready to squeeze out a lot of players, a lot of crypto investors, and make them suffer. Okay. And not only that, a lot of these coins that you see on CoinMarketCap, guys, I'm sorry to say, but a lot of these coins have to go. They have to go, guys. Okay, in order for these coins to go, the market has to continue to go down. It's just what it is. All right. So I can literally see Bitcoin going to 1,000, and not only going to 1,000, but below 1,000 to squeeze a lot of people out. All right, a lot of people out. Now, I was listening to Tone Vase, the guy, for the most part, I believe he's bearish. But I was looking because some of my subscribers was telling me that he was trying to go long, okay? And I was actually watching a video today, and he was trying to explain why he's trying to go long, okay? And I can see what he's trying to do, but at the same time, I really don't agree with him at all. Me personally, I wouldn't try to go long right here. I think it's a dangerous thing, and I kind of see what he's trying to do, but honestly, it makes me wonder if this guy is really legit, okay? Because I don't think a real trader would try to go long right now, okay? First of all, what he's trying to say is, everybody, if you go on social media right now, everybody is bearish, okay? So he wants to do the opposite, okay? And I'm sorry, but it doesn't work like that, okay? It doesn't work like that. I know for the most part, you want to do the opposite of the crowd, but I can tell you right now, everybody's not bearish, okay? A lot of people are still bullish. I can probably guarantee you that there's more bulls than bears. I can probably guarantee you that, all right? So he got that wrong, okay? It's not a lot of people bearish. It's probably more people that are bearish now, but it's still not topping the bulls, okay? It's still not topping bulls, because I can tell just by doing my live videos. Even when the market was dropping, I can tell, okay, people are still bullish, all right? They probably nervous, but they still not bearish like that. And also, even if a lot of people are bearish, I still wouldn't go against the crowd, because the pressure is to the downside. I would never ever go against the major pressure, okay? I'm not really into picking tops and bottoms, so that's why I'm really questioning. I'm trying to make sure, is this guy really legit now? Because for him to take a long right here is really suspect, bro. It's really suspect. So another thing he said was, we broke out of this triangle, we consolidate, and we broke, okay? He said that he don't see how Bitcoin could actually make another leg down, okay? But what he don't realize is basically we been consolidating, bro. We've been consolidating for a year, 1 year, bro. Okay, so you can't really go based on one drop, consolidate, another drop. You can't see that we can't make another drop. You can't really do that, because there's a lot of pressure behind this whole move itself. Okay, this whole move been going for pretty much a year. Okay, consolidating for a whole year. So there's a lot of pressure coming out this move right here. So I can see Bitcoin making another leg. I definitely, because the reason why I can see it making another leg, because I know for a fact that there's a lot of moon boys buying this bottom right here. Okay, I know for a fact. So the market loves to trap a lot of people. Okay, so I can definitely see the market make another leg. Now, another thing he said, he said something about the fundamentals have not changed since we was at 6,000, which is true. Okay. So basically, what he's trying to say is, you know, we at 4,000 right now, and when we was at 6,000, pretty much nothing really changed. Okay, which is true, but at the same time, it doesn't have to change. All right, it doesn't have to change at all, because you have to understand that the momentum is to the downside, guys. All right, it don't have to change when we are in a bear market. The pressure is to the downside. Nothing has to change. Nothing has to change. Okay? And we can get good news, bad news, whatever. It doesn't matter. Okay? The people that's bringing down the market, they have a target in place. Okay? And this market will continue to go down until they hit their target. It's just what it is. It's just how things work. All right? So, I don't really agree with him taking a long right here. I think it's very, very, very risky. I think he said he has a mental stop below 4,000. Honestly, I think he's going to get stopped out. Now, could this thing pop up and reverse? Yeah, it's a possibility. Okay, it is a possibility. It could pop up. But if it does pop up, for how long, guys? All right. It might be a small pop just to go right back down. So this is a risky play right here. Okay. And like I said, you know, that guy right now, he's on my suspect list, because I don't think real professionals would actually be taking this long right now. Okay. But it is what it is. Unless you're trying to take a long-term position, you know, but not for some short-term play. But it is what it is. Let me see if you guys have any questions. And also, he said another thing. He said nobody is here. He said nobody's left. He said all the sellers is gone or something like that. Okay. And that's not true. How can you say all the sellers is gone? There's nobody. He said there's nobody. You know, there's no sellers left or something like that. How can you say that? I mean, let's look at the market cap. We still have sellers and buyers. You know, you can't say that until the market goes to zero. Then you can say there's no more sellers or buyers. You can't say there's no more sellers. Okay. But anyway, let's see if I go to these questions right here. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. If you have any questions, please let me know. What's going on, Chris D, AZ, Bruno? What's going on, guys? Joseph said, I sold all my cryptos and I made 150 Ben selling oil and XRP. You're the man. Thank you for the truth. Let me give you a round of applause. Actually, let me give you a ka-ching button first. And let me give you that round of applause. Okay. See, guys, you know, there's money to be made right now, and I'm trying to help you guys understand that. Okay. Even if let's say that even if you want to hodl, you can still hodl, but you can also have another strategy on the side that allows you to make money. All right. Let me see, Michael. BTC 589 more accurate than that's a blow. That's a low blow for those XRP dudes. Michael, you better chill out. They might find you, Michael. These XRP dudes might find you. That's funny though. Left Lane said 900. I just said that in my head, Ben. That's crazy. Oh, yes. Okay. So the reason why I believe Bitcoin can actually go under 1,000 is because it has to be a number. It has to be a number where most people are not thinking about. Okay. It has to be a number that most people are not thinking about. Okay. That's how the market works. It's not. I swear to you, bro. It's not. You know. It's not a number where you think it is. Trust me. You know, it's the same. Like it's the reverse. Put it like this, guys. The bear market is the reverse of a bull market, okay? Nobody, I don't care what nobody said, even the bulls, even the real hardcore bulls, last year, I can guarantee you guys, I don't want to hear it. You know, the hardcore bulls, last year, I can guarantee you that they didn't think Bitcoin was going to hit 19,000, close to 20,000. I can guarantee you. All right? Even if you was a bull, you didn't think that. You was happy, but you didn't say, "Man, bro, we're going to no." You know, probably you probably thought that Bitcoin was going to hit that number one of these days, but you didn't think it was going to do that last year, okay? And that's what I'm saying, okay? A lot of people are not a lot of people don't think that Bitcoin can actually go below 3,000 or 2,000 or even 1,000. Okay, so it has to be a number where most people just can't think about it. Like, like it's to the point where if you tell someone probably like, "No, bro, you crazy." All right, so let me see if I see any more. Bitcoin going to 1K, most also going to 0. Yes. Ben, he's talking about hyperwave studies that he's doing. Yeah, but honestly, me personally, it's a strong possibility. The way I'm looking at this chart right now, it's a strong possibility that he might get stopped out. Okay, going long right here is just suicide right now. It might work. Okay, but it's risky like a mother. All right. Let's see. Left Lane said it's a lot of strong bulls in denial. Exactly. You said that's why he's talking about it. Studies back in 1925. But at the same time, I understand the study. Whatever he's doing, but if you listen, like I listened to a video of his today. Okay, if you listen to the reason why he's taking this long, it's not really based on it's not really based on his studies. Okay, it's based on what I just told you. Okay, it's based on social media being bearish. It's based on he don't think that Bitcoin will make another leg, blah blah blah. Let's see if I see any more questions here. My thoughts on EOS. Head and Shoulders. I'll look at it. Michael said, Ben, I hold XRP, but it's no good for me until 2020. It might be longer than that, Michael. I'm not gonna lie. And Michael, just to let you know, I troll. Just between me and you, I troll the XRP community once in the blue. Okay, I come out with some videos once in the blue just to troll the XRP community. Just to it's just for laughs and because I know for a fact that a lot of these guys are gonna get upset. So I actually might come out with a video tomorrow trolling the XRP community. Let me see here. I wait for a bigger wick. Big balls, yeah, man. What's going on, G Slick? Where you been at? G Slick, you been MIA, bro. So someone want to look at EOS. EOS Head and Shoulders. Where you see the Head and Shoulders, Dom? Head and Shoulders where? Like what chart are you looking at? What chart are we looking at? What time frame, Dom? I don't see any head and shoulders. Dan said, "Are you the Ripple?" Nah, you know, sometimes you just have to have fun, you know. You just have to have fun because I noticed that because one day I made a video talking about XRP YouTubers, and these dudes just come out of nowhere and attack me. And I wasn't even talking about XRP, the coin. I was just talking about the YouTubers. So ever since then, I was just say, all right, fine. I guess I'm going to troll the XRP community because these dudes get upset so quick. I just laugh at it like it's just a joke to me. It's not really. I'm not trying to you know be serious about it, anything like that. But I just know they're gonna get mad real quick. But let me see here. Yeah, Dom, I don't see a head and shoulders, guys. All right, so let me see if I see any more questions here. Michael said they take it to heart, too much heart. I think many of them forget how business works. Mark, yeah, I know, right? You know, it is what it is. You know, honestly, man, Michael, honestly, I'm just here trying to help people out. And I have a lot of students of mine actually are doing real good. So, you know, me personally, I can actually go to sleep at night and feel good. I think a lot of these YouTubers can't go to sleep, aka Crypto R Us. I don't know how that dude go to sleep. I really don't, because he basically told his subscribers that Bitcoin was the 6,000 was the bottom, and he said, guys, man, it's impossible for Bitcoin to go below 6,000. So I know just by doing, you know, YouTube, I know for a fact a lot of people load up and bought a lot of Bitcoin at 6,000 just because he said that. All right, and it is what it is. Let me see if I see more questions. I remember earlier this year when Tron was doing the testnet, Ben said take profit. Yes. I didn't listen and I regret it now. Taking profits. Yes, shout out to you, man. Let me give you a round of applause, guys. AZ is actually one of my students, so let me give him a round of applause. Yes, he's definitely 100% correct. You definitely want to take profits, guys. I actually had a guy, shout out to him, I think it was WOJ. He came on my live stream the other day and he said that he bought, I believe, either Bitcoin last year. He put 15 grand on it and he made 700K. All right, he made 700K from this crazy up move right here, and he didn't take any profits. And now it's back to where he bought it at, and it went lower. So he's pissed off. All right, and now, and this is another reason why I'm so hard on you guys, and I talk crazy about these crazy YouTubers, because these YouTubers will tell you to hodl and don't sell, or hodl until a certain number. Okay, so most hodlers, they have a certain number in their head. Okay, so for example, XRP YouTubers, right? Or I mean XRP investors, they probably have some crazy number in their head. They probably have 589 or 100 or some crazy number in their head, bro. So they can have $1 million in their trading account or crypto account, and they won't sell just because they think that XRP is going to 589. And then when the market crash, they're going to lose their whole $1 million. And, the market's not going to do anything for the next 10, 20 years. And they missed out. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to train you guys to become professionals, right? Understand how the market works, become professionals, take profits, and enjoy your life, okay? Your life is not about sitting and waiting for your profits, hoping and wishing. That's not your life. Your life is better. Guys, you deserve better, all right? You deserve better. You're not that person that supposed to be waiting on the sidelines forever, and you don't know when that bull market is going to come. Okay, we don't know when that bull market is going to come. You can say the bull market is going to come 2019. You can say the bull market is going to come 2 years from now. You can say that, but we all don't know when. Okay, the bull market actually could come 8 years, 10 years from now. Okay, and we don't even know how strong the bull market is going to be when it comes. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you guys is, while you wait for that bull market, you can have another strategy on the side that allows you to extract money from the markets while you're waiting for that bull market. Okay, that's all I'm trying to tell people. Okay, if you want to hodl, fine, hodl. Okay, but at the same time, you can have another strategy on the side, because we don't know when this bull market is going to come. All right, and have that other strategy on the side. Take money from the market right now. Okay, that's because that's what I teach my students to do. Take money from the market right now, guys. It's no waiting. Like, you shouldn't be waiting. You guys, some of you guys are young. You should be enjoying life. You can do that by studying the markets and basically understand how it works. Like, how do you guys think I do it? Okay, it's by me studying, and I read the charts. That's all I do every single day. Let me see here. I've been here and seeing you work sometimes. I learn you doing the right thing, train and fighter. Yes. Shout out to you, bro. Let me see here. What's going on, crypto anxiety? How you doing? I haven't seen you for a long time. Yeah, crazy YouTubers, bro. All right, crazy YouTubers. Go ahead and listen to these guys, because I'm telling you right now, these guys that have 100K, 80K, 60K, I'm telling you right now, most of these guys don't know what they're talking about, bro. You go ahead and listen to, what's his name, Superman or Soperman, I don't know what his name is. Go listen to him. Go listen to Bitcoin Ben or Crypto RS. Go listen to those guys, okay? I can guarantee you, bro, you are not going to make money consistently. Listen to these guys that telling you to buy these dips every single month. Okay, what they telling you every single month is, hey, bro, be patient, buy the dips, and wait. Okay, now being patient, there's nothing wrong with being patient, but it's best to be patient when you're doing something right. Okay, when you're doing something wrong, you can't be patient. Buying the dips is doing something wrong, guys. Okay, because you can save your money, because I just showed you guys what confirmation looks like. So you can, if you haven't seen that, just go watch this video again. You can just wait for that bull market, save your money, or you can take that money and make more money. All right. But these guys are not showing you that. You know why they're not showing you that? Because these guys are not professionals. They don't make their money from the markets. They make their money from YouTube. Let me see here. Let me see if I see any questions here. Guys, if you have any questions, let me know. And also, if you don't have this course by now, you can check it out. This 150 right here is actually only for the live stream. So basically, when I get off this live stream, it goes back to 300. So you can check that out. What that allows you to do is basically it will show you how to make money in this crypto market. If the market's going down or up, all right. So you won't be that guy on the sideline just waiting. And also you can the strategies that you learn from this course, you can go to other markets like the forex or commodities, and you know you can trade those other markets. Okay, that's what a lot of my students do too. Okay, and also I have a day trading. We call that a day trading class. When you get that, you are, you know, you definitely have the ability to get that day trading course, and that's about me teaching you how to day trade the futures. Okay, if you want to really take your day trading to the next level, you can definitely do that, because I'm gonna show you how these Wall Street guys are making money. Okay, and that class is very, very powerful. Like I said, my students are actually making money already. I have a few students that pretty much double their account, and one triple their account. So if you want to learn more about that, definitely email me for that. Let me see if I see more questions. XRP going to dump a billion coin next short pup. I hear you, bro. I hear you, man. I'm reading these questions. I watched the current video last night and like watching. Yeah, man. These bulls, guys. These YouTubers. You can tell. I'm quite sure you guys are catching on. Okay, I'm quite sure you guys are catching on now. So I'm quite sure you guys, when y'all watch a certain YouTuber, you hear him talk about the market, I'm quite sure some of you guys now know. You can just automatically, you can tell that this guy don't really know what he's talking about. Automatically, you're like, oh, this guy really, this guy doesn't know nothing. Okay. And it's usually the guys that are talking about bottoms. Okay. Anybody that has a bottom video, oh my gosh, these guys don't know anything about nothing. TJ said Ben's course is legit. Let me give you a round of applause. Thanks a lot, TJ. Testing Friday night. We mean testing Friday night. Yo, Ben back testing Friday night. Shout out to you, Scotty. I'm telling you, Ben, when Bitcoin hits 900, people are going to be pissed. Should have. Oh, let me give you that bomb. Okay. All right. Yes, you are 100% correct. Okay, people are really going to get pissed when they see Bitcoin hit that mark, because it's going to hurt them because they believe in something so much. All right. And not only that, I'm quite sure they went heavy. Okay. They probably empty out their bank account, because I know a lot of people probably took out loans. They probably, empty out their whole bank account and they put it on Bitcoin. But think about this, guys. I want you to, Michael, are you still here, Michael? Michael, are you still here? Let me see. Golden Arm. I had a dream that I sold my house and called for BTC. Then I woke up. Scream Big Connect. Big Connect. What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, bro. Yo, where's Big Connect doing, bro? Let me see what Big Connect is doing. BCC. So BCC is out. So it's not in the system no more. Okay. Big Connect. That was a symbol, right? Big Connect was the symbol. So I think Big Connect is out of the system. What about then BitConnect has some stupid other project they were trying to come out with. What was the other project BitConnect was trying to come out with, guys? What's the name of that other project? It was X something. Was it X Connect or something like that? Golden Arm, here is a family in my country. They sold everything for BTC. If you guys ever heard of that Dutch family, yeah, I heard about, yeah, family actually sold everything for BTC. Yeah, I heard about that. That's crazy. Yeah, a lot of people went all in Bitcoin. Okay, so yeah, BitConnect X, yes. So BitConnect X, guys, you want to hear how gullible the crypto market is, guys? You want to hear how gullible the crypto market is? I can guarantee you guys, I don't care what anyone says, I can guarantee you if BitConnect X comes out next week, bro, I can guarantee you there's going to be a lot of people investing in that coin. There's going to be a lot of people investing in that coin if they come out next week. That's how these guys in the crypto market is losing so much money, because these guys want to get rich so fast that they are willing to do anything. So that's why I'm trying to help you guys. Like, bro, you don't have to be that guy that's trying to make $1 million overnight, okay? Forget about that. Forget about making $1 million overnight or whatever. Okay, let's look at how we can make money consistently. Even if you're making at first, let's say that you're making $100 here, $200 there. Okay, let's start with that first. But the whole thing is making money consistently, because with the markets, the beauty about the markets is you can always increase your contracts. Okay, so if you're making $100 here, $200 there, all right, and you are showing that consistency, and you prove to yourself that you can actually make money consistently, then you can actually raise up your contracts and actually start making more. Okay, instead of making $100, you can actually start making $500 or $1,000. All right. But trying to make $1 million overnight, guys, come on, it's not that easy, right? Yeah, Dava coin, okay? Dava coin was another craziness, right? BCC market cap, you said you just Google it? You said currencies. Yeah, I hear you, bro. Let me see here, man. People leaving their job, making videos. Yeah. So this is BitConnect right here. So okay, it's at 6 cents. But nothing is here. Everything is just a question mark. All right, so pretty much BitConnect is dead. Okay, a flat line. And guys, I'm here to tell you that BitConnect, even though it's flatlining right here, this I believe this is going to be a lot of coins. You're going to see a lot of coins on CoinMarketCap just like this, okay? So whenever that bottom is, okay, I don't know when's the bottom, okay? But when we hit that bottom, bro, I'm telling you, you're going to see this flat line, okay? You're going to see a lot of these coins flatline, and I really don't want you guys to get caught up, and have a coin flatlining. So, Michael, are you still here? I don't think Michael's still here. I wanted to ask him a question about XRP. All right. You said 67 cents, not 6 cents. It looked like 6 cents to me. I don't know. Let me see. Is it? Oh, you're right. This is 67 cents? All right. So 67 cents. but a whole bunch of question marks. So that, BitConnect is dead. And honestly, guys, there's going to be a lot of coins on CoinMarketCap doing the same thing. Okay, they're going to just die out, and you're going to see it flatline. All right. It is what it is, though. Shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot for stopping by. I appreciate you guys. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot, guys, for the super chat. Shout out to you, Golden Arm, for that super chat. Let me give you that bomb for that $10 super chat. Thanks a lot, bro. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. All right. You should YouTube. I lost everything with BitConnect, poor guy. But I had to laugh. Who? What guy is this? It's worth more than XRP. Oh, shoot. Ah, man, that's funny. Are you still offering the class? Philip, just email me. You have my email address? Just email me, Philip. Yeah, no problem. That's crazy. So basically, BitConnect, guys, is worth more than XRP. Yeah, Philip, I just gave you my email address right here. You can email me, right now. That's crazy. Dom said. Who said that? It was Dom or Randy? Randy, XRP. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Honestly, guys, XRP to me is just another coin, and basically anything can happen to it. All right. I don't get caught up into coins. I don't have any type of attachment. I used to when I first started out. Not with coins, but stocks. But, I know for a fact that, having those attachments could hurt you. All right. These coins can do, or these stocks can do whatever they want to do at the end of the day. Okay. And you're basically a slave to the news, to the fundamentals, to the CEO, to the company. Okay. You got to hope and wish that company stays or continue to do good, or whatever the case is, or you got to hope that the market itself continue to do good. All right. And I didn't like that feeling. I didn't like the feeling that I was a slave to the market, to the news, to the fundamentals, to the CEO. And that's why I looked into day trading, because when you day trade, it's all you. It's all on you. Okay. When I day trade every single day, I'm not a slave to nothing. It's based on my skills. It's based on pattern recognition. All right. I go in, I look for support and resistance. I look for patterns, and boom, I take my trade. I'm in and out. I don't have to hold anything overnight. Okay. I'm in and out the trade, and I'm done. Okay. There's no holding out. No holding. It has nothing to do with the news. It has nothing to do with the company, CEO, anything like that. Like, that's why I love day trading. Okay. XRP is just another coin that's tied into the cryptocurrency, and it doesn't matter what XRP is doing right now, because the bear market will continue to bring down any coin. It's not just XRP. It's any coin. Name it. Name any coin right now. Okay. Any coin that's even if it has some type of real like it's doing something in the real world, it's still going to get hammered in this bear market because it's tied into the cryptocurrency market. All right. Let me see here. Lost 30,000 in loans in BitConnect 2018. So somebody lost 30,000. That was you. What do you think about Holo for HODL till the bull future? I think is a good profit maker. I never heard of it. I never heard of I don't know how you say it. Hollow or Hollow. Let me see here. Crypto gets you while you sleep. I work night, so I see it all the time. Yes, you wake up and you see crypto just beat you up. Some people are going to wake up and XRP is going to be at 1 cent. BTC going to be. Oh man. Holochain. I don't know anything about that, so I have to look into it. But right now I'm not touching any altcoin because we are in a bear market. And me personally, I definitely want to see how these coins survive the bear market. Okay, you saw the BitConnect situation where it was flatline. Well, I believe that a lot of these coins are going to be flatline too. So I'm not going to buy any flatline coins. I have price alerts work well for me. I don't know what you're talking about. Price alerts. What? I don't know exactly what you're talking about. But guys, thanks a lot, guys. I'm out of here. I'm probably gonna catch some basketball real quick. I hope you guys enjoy your the rest of the weekend. You know, continue to eat whatever you want to do. Also, you have to continue to study, guys. Make sure you improve. Make sure that you actually become better. It is what it is. Let me give you guys a round of applause. All right, so Philip, you can email me right now, and I'll talk to you guys later. If you guys have any questions about this course or my day trading course, okay, you can email me, and we will talk. So talk to you guys later, and have a great day, guys.